I created my own QR code generator using OpenAI ChatGPT, and here is how. Firstly, open any web browser. Search for chat.openai.com. Here I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate a QR code generator for me. And here it starts to generate the code. Now simply copy the code and paste it in Visual Studio Code. Here I'm gonna replace this word. Now let's see what happens. And you can see here it has generated the QR code. So let's scan this. And yeah, it works. So in the end, this is how you generate the QR code. If this tutorial was helpful, let us know by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.